Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to make a salted maple pie. The recipe comes from Sister Pie in Detroit and it's one of my favorite Thanksgiving pies. It's sweet and salty and custardy, all in a flaky, buttery crust. To make the filling, whisk together 1 cup of maple syrup and 10 tablespoons of melted and cooled butter. Add 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup cornmeal, and a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and whisk again until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together 3 eggs, 1 egg yolk, and 3/4 cup heavy cream until smooth. Add 1 1/4 teaspoons vanilla extract and whisk to combine. Finally, whisk the egg cream mixture into the maple syrup mixture until thoroughly blended. Pour the filling into a par-baked pie crust. I will link to that recipe and video below. Then carefully transfer to a 350-degree oven and bake for roughly 1 hour. When you remove the pie from the oven, it should feel mostly set, but the filling will still be a little bit jiggly. It will continue to cook and set as it cools. Sprinkle with flaky sea salt, then let the pie cool completely, at least 4 hours before cutting and serving. And that's it. I love serving this pie with a dollop of salted, barely sweet whipped cream. My kids say this pie tastes like French toast, and I can't say they are wrong. As always, let me know if you have any questions. One final note, this is a great pie to make ahead of time. It can be made at least 24 hours, if not longer, in advance, and stored in an airtight bag at room temperature.